Welcome to another cutting-edge episode. We're tracking some major developments in the GitHub sphere today.
That's right, Marc. Let's start with PR 5705 from Yungalgo. It's a game changer for our testing infrastructure.
Finally, someone fixing the test components. This PR is giving us comprehensive testing across all project and plugin types.
The scope is impressive. It's touching every corner of our testing framework.
You know what they say? Test early, test often, and definitely test your test components.
Marc, are you glitching out over test coverage again?
Just excited about quality assurance. Speaking of which, we should check in with Shaw about these updates.
Good call. Shaw's been monitoring these PRs closely. Let's get his technical perspective.
Let's talk about PR 5704. Christopher Trimboli's new sessions API is a massive improvement for our messaging infrastructure.
What makes this API so special, Shaw?
It provides a simplified interface for messaging between users and agents. Think of it as a universal translator for human-AI communication.
That's going to make agent interactions much more streamlined.
Exactly. And it ties perfectly into our broader focus on improving developer experience and foundation refinement.
I hear there's been some interesting developments in multi-agent workflows too.
R0 shared some fascinating insights about the architect/coder/reviewer pattern for multi-agent development.
That's quite a shift in how we approach AI-assisted coding.
Speaking of development, DorianD's been cooking up some interesting proposals in the partners channel.
Yes, they're looking at iOS and browser extensions for collecting social app data for our node agents.
And don't forget the screen scraper proposal. That could be huge for data collection.
It's all about expanding our reach while staying decentralized.
Speaking of decentralization, that's becoming increasingly important given recent platform challenges.
The community's really pushing for alternatives like Matrix and Farcaster.
Can't blame them. Decentralization is looking less like an option and more like a necessity.
Shaw, want to weigh in on the technical implications of this shift?
The push toward decentralization isn't just about avoiding platform dependence, it's about building a more resilient ecosystem.
What's our timeline looking like for these transitions?
We're accelerating our Matrix and Farcaster integrations, but it's a complex process that needs careful consideration.
And what about the multi-agent development patterns we're seeing?
That's actually a perfect example of why decentralization matters. These patterns work better in an open, distributed environment.
It's all coming together. Better testing, improved APIs, and a more decentralized future.
Exactly. And with the community's support, we're building something truly resilient.
Speaking of community, should we wrap up with those recent development insights?
What a packed episode. From comprehensive testing improvements to new session APIs.
And don't forget the exciting developments in multi-agent workflows.
The community's really stepping up with these contributions.
It's amazing to see how all these pieces fit together: testing, APIs, and decentralization.
Well, that's all for today's show. Keep building, keep testing, and keep decentralizing.
Thanks for joining us, everyone. We'll see you next time.